I will discuss my understanding and what I've learned in the module Introduction to Logistics and Supply Chain. At first, when I heard the word logistic, the first thing that comes to my mind was cargo and ship. But in this module, it taught me that it was the process of planning, implementing, and controlling the efficient flow of the good, service, and information from the place of the production to the final destination. They are the one who make sure that product flow seamlessly. While in the supply chain management, I thought before that it was just all about the um, process, productions, and distribution. But it turns out that it's focused also in the entire network of the organization. It helps also to sustain human life. Supply chain management uh, it plays a critical part in the organization to ability to meet the client's needs and deliver a highest level of satisfaction. But doing supply chain management is not easy because it has many process you need to do and to learn. Supply chain now is more developed compared to before because the data is more secured now because of the technology. Also, transportation of the product to the customer is speeding up. Before this discussion of this module, I didn't know that logistics and supply chain is connected to each other. They are connected because supply chain, they oversee and monitor the people and the equipment required to the movement and the storage of the product and services. While logistics, they ensure that materials and products reliably move in the right time and on the budget. In this module, it taught me that having a poor logistic and supply chain management is the business. It can impact its bottom line. It can lead to untimely deliveries, failure to meet the needs of the client, and ultimately causes of the business to suffer. That's why I understand now how important logistic and supply chain management in the company and business. That's all that I understand and I learned in this module.